Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to create a kids activity book that you can easily create in less than a day for free and make a good passive income from it. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP. We will go over everything you need to know from zero to sale. If you are interested in these types of videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. One of the most popular categories in Amazon KDP that sell thousands of books is activity books for kids. These types of books are easy to make and they sell very well. Number tracing book for kids is the first type of book from this category that I will review. The best way to get motivated and learn more about your competitors is to see how successful they are and how much they are earning each month. So for that, as always, let's see what is the best number tracing book on the first page of Amazon. As you can see, we just have 1000 results for this search, which is great, and your book has a chance to rank on this keyword. We have a couple of good candidates here. This book has the lowest rank on the first page. As you can see, the number tracing book bestseller rank is 1262, which shows how popular this book is. This book price is $5.99 with more than 7,000 reviews. Now with the bestseller rank, we can find the estimated sale of this book. For that, let's open the TCK website to see how many orders this book has every month. Just enter the bestseller rank here and press the calculate button. As you can see, this book is selling 1,862 orders each month, which is almost 60 books per day. Now that we have the number of sales per month, we just need to see what is the actual profit of this book per sale. Let's see how many pages have this book. It has just 66 pages. Since it has a less than 108 pages, the print cost for each sale is $2.50, which is the lowest for a paperback book. Now enter the number of pages and the book price in the calculator. As you can see, this author is earning $1.45 profit per sale, which is good. You can find a link to this calculator in the description. Now we just need to multiply them to find the monthly estimate income of this author from this book. This author is earning almost $2,700 per month, which is great passive income for anybody. Let's look at this book to see what is a number tracing book. As you can see, it has just one intro page and then all the pages are related to the numbers. Just remember, never copy any book. By copying the author's book, you will decrease your book chance to be successful. Now that we have a good idea about how we can create a book like this, let's create a sample page of number tracing book with free softwares. For creating this book, I use Google Slide. It's free and powerful and you don't need to know or pay for graphic software. Just open the Google Slide and from the file menu, select the page setup and set the page dimension to 8.5 by 11. Now we need to add the lines to the page. From the top menu, select a line and drag it horizontally. Hold the Shift key to draw the line straight. Now just copy the first line and paste it here, and then make sure to be aligned with the first line. Repeat the process for the third line. Now select the second line and change its style to be dashed. As you can see, our first line is ready now. Now select the text box and draw it on the line. The only tracing font in Google Slide is Railway Dots. You can't find it in the drop-down list. You need to go to the More Font and search for this font. And then select the text box and set the font to Railway Dots. Now just enter a number in the text box, for example 4. Now that we have the text box and the lines, it's good to make all of them a group. Now to fill the page, just copy the first line and paste it a couple of times. Make sure to align all of them correctly. That's it. The base structure of this page is ready. Now that we have the page, you can customize this page and make it a lot better. For example, you can add some custom shapes to this page. Let's see what we can find in the Pixabay for this page. Like always, open the Pixabay and select the vectors and search for the numbers. I think this image is good for my sample page. Just download it and add it to your page. I will add it to the right side of page title. For making your image black and white, you just need to select the image and click on the format options, and from recolor select light one. That's it. Your page is ready. You just need to repeat this process for all the numbers, for example from 0 to 100. Just duplicate this page and change the text and design. Also, you don't need to add the graphic for all the pages. I think if you just add it for 1 to 10 is enough. The only problem with Google Slide is the font limitation. If you are looking for a different font for your book, you need to search for dotted or dashed fonts on the internet. The best place to find your premium font is Creative Fabrica. This website has a specific category for all the fonts, and you can find lots of different fonts here. By having the monthly subscription, you can have access to all the materials of this website. Let's find the tracing font in this website. Just open the website and search for dashed fonts. For example, this font is $10. If you buy the Creative Fabrica membership, you just pay $29 per month and you will have access to all the elements of this website. I think the monthly membership is better than buying single elements from this website. When you download the file, just unzip the file and install the font. Now that we have the font, we can create the same design of the page by PowerPoint or Word. But since I just created in Google Slide, I just need to download it as a PowerPoint. From the file menu, select download as PowerPoint. Now we just need to open it in PowerPoint. Now that we have the design open, we need to change the font to the font that we just installed. Select all the text and from the font picker, select the new font. That's it. This page is ready with your new font. You need to duplicate this page and change the text for each page. In the next video, I will teach you how to create other popular types of kids activity book with free softwares. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Let me know what you think about number tracing book in the comment section. And if you have any other question, post it there. I will try to answer all of your questions.